Hello PSC 101 students, my name is Daniel Lanfear and I am doing my presentation on the Constellation Canis Minor. A good time of year to find Canis Minor is in early March. At around 10:30 p.m., if you look up into the southern sky, you will find the body of Orion. After finding the body of Orion, find his shoulders, the two stars Bellatrix and Betelgeuse, and follow the line they make to the east, and you will find Canis Minor. Canis Minor only has two stars, Procyon and Gomesa. Procyon is the brighter of the two, being the 8th brightest star in the night sky. It is also known as Alpha Canis Minoris. Procyon is a white main sequence, and it is 11 light-years away. It has a magnitude of 0.34 and has a radial velocity of -3.2 kilometers a second. Gomesa is the second star in Canis Minor, also known as Beta Canis Minoris. This star is a main sequence dwarf star that is about 161.7 light-years away. It has a magnitude of 2.89 and a radial velocity of 22 kilometers a second. There are few deep sky objects in the constellation of Canis Minor, but there are these three galaxies. The first galaxy is a lenticular galaxy NGC 2508. A lenticular galaxy is like a cross of a spiral and an elliptical galaxy. Its magnitude is 12.7. It has a right ascension of 8 hours, 1 minute, 51 seconds, and a declination of around 8 degrees. This galaxy has a diameter of 80 light-years. The second galaxy is a spiral galaxy 2485. This galaxy has a magnitude of 12.4 and is said to have a similar shape to a reel. It has a right ascension of 7 hours, 56 minutes, and 48 seconds, and a declination of around 7.5 degrees. The third object is known as NGC 2402 and is actually two galaxies that appear to mix. This makes the two galaxies known as 2402-1 and 2402-2. The first galaxy has a magnitude of 14 and the second has a magnitude of 15. NGC 2402 has a right ascension of 7 hours 30 minutes 47 seconds and a declination of about 9.5 degrees. Both galaxies measure around 55,000 light-years in diameter. In a legend, Icarius, an unlucky winemaker, gave his friends some wine. They mistook being drunk with being poisoned and killed Icarius for it. The reasoning for this is his friends had never actually had wine before. Mira, Icarius' dog, found his body and ran to his daughter Aragon. Both the daughter and the dog were so overwhelmed with grief that they took their own lives. Aragon hanged herself and the dog jumped off a cliff. Zeus later placed their images in the sky. In this myth, Icarius is associated with Bootes the herdsman, Aragon with the constellation Virgo, and Mira with Canis Minor. And these are my references. I hope you enjoyed this.